In this video, I'm going to show you how to remix Reels on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app, then right here hit Add Reels icon to show up Reels feed. And now let's say I want to make a remix with that reel. So all I have to do is right here hit at that three dots icon, and then here I can easily find remix feature. So I can tap on that, and now I have to select in which way I want to make a remix. I can make it with original video or after original video, and I'll show you the both ways. So first, let me select with original video. It shows you splitted screen where at the left side you can see original video and at the right side you can see your camera. So now you can hold down that shutter icon to start recording your video, and while you are holding your finger here, that video will be played. So let me show you how it looks like. I'm holding a finger, the video at the right side is being recorded and that video is being played. Once I released finger, all that videos stop playing, so I can in that way record a video, then hit on next and then continue editing that video. So now let me show you how to record remix after original video. If you select that feature, you now can trim this video if you want. So in that way, simply by dragging edges of the video, you can trim video start, and also you can trim the end of original video in that simple way. After that, you can hit on next, and now you are able to record your short video. Just press at that record button and then make your video, and then you can hit on next and edit this video as you normally do at Instagram app. You can add here some music or some stickers, write down here some text, and then you can hit on next and share that reel with your followers. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.